So I'm finna show y'all how to refresh your braids, whether you had these joints in for 1 week, 2 weeks. Who the is calling me? What's good, Playboy? Today I'm gonna show y'all how to refresh your braids. I had these joints in for maybe like a week, 2 weeks, I don't know, a week and a half, something like that. They're a little crusty, bruh. The products we're gonna be using today is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz Free Curl Mousse. That's this joint right here. And we're also going to be using Neat Braid Conditioning Shining Gel. I'm just showing y'all the products that I'm using. You don't necessarily have to use these products. These are just the products that I'm using. But you're definitely gonna need a braid gel. You're gonna need some sort of mousse. And you're also gonna need a parting comb and a do-rag. Definitely gonna need a dewy. First things first, you wanna get a rag and you wanna dampen the rag just a little bit. I use Nexus shampoo. So you wanna put a little bit of the shampoo on the rag. You wanna take the shampoo down the parts in your head and just clean, like you just cleaning up, bro. You know, all of the buildup and everything, and your hair just gets dirty. So you wanna just clean up in between these parts. It's okay if you're not, if you're like, you know, them up a little bit, because we gonna fix that. All right, so now you wanna wet the other end of the rag or whatever, and no shampoo, no nothing. You wanna just use that end of the rag. We basically just rinsing off the shampoo that we put in our head. All right, we did that. We cleaned the parts out. So, blow dryer, just blow dry your head. All right, cool. So now we're gonna get into the parts. I'm gonna take my braiding gel. You can use any braiding gel that you got. What you're gonna do is take a little bit, like about that much. Do like what the braider do, and just put that going down the middle of your head. So you're gonna take the braiding gel and you're just gonna put it everywhere that a braider would. Like if you was finna rebraid your whole head yourself. Now your head should look something like this. A little crazy, but we're gonna take the comb. You essentially just wanna run this down your head like you're reparting basically, and just clean up the part. Like you can see right there, I just clean, you just wanna clean up the part. You can see right there, I cleaned up this part right here. So you just cleaning up the part. All right, so I just did that part right there, and you can see my part already looking fresh. Look at that, bro. We're just making it crispy again. Pull the braid down. Bro, it's crazy. All right, so once you're satisfied with how we did the parts, we're gonna take some of the mousse. All you're gonna do is just put it on your head. Get the mousse on the braids. I definitely used a lot of mousse. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I used a lot of mousse. You don't really need this much, but I was just being a little extra here. After you put the mousse on, get your dewy, and then you just wanna put this joint right on your head. We gonna put the dewy on. We gonna put the dewy on. All right, now that we got the dewy on, we gonna take the blow dryer and dry the hair. This blow dryer is trash. All right, so now we just blow dried it. It's time for the grand reveal. Voila. All right, if you know how to shape yourself up, bro, it's over. Braids back to life. Like, comment, and subscribe for some more tips, Playboy.